My name is Lunben. I'm from China Mobile Beijing. Dear distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to have this opportunity to share with you the practices of China Mobile Beijing in the construction of all optical networks for smart cities. The fifth generation era has arrived, bringing new infrastructure that aims to stimulate long-term economic growth. Compared with the traditional infrastructure, such as railways and highways, this new infrastructure is more tech-centered. It aims to facilitate the advanced technologies of 7 major fields, namely fifth generation infrastructure, ultra-high voltage transmission, intercity high-speed railway, and urban rail transportation, electron-voltage charging stations, big data centers, artificial intelligence, and industrial internet. These technologies will connect everything and reshape the future of our cities, supporting the sustainable urban development of industrial cities to digital and intelligent cities. The digital economy will become the economic pillar of smart cities in the future. Penetrating a wide range of industries, including finance, manufacturing, transportation, government agencies, and enterprises, and healthcare. Smart cities rely on an information infrastructure, which is why all optical networks are vital. All optical networks are playing an increasingly important role, even more important than traditional transportation and energy infrastructure have done. They provide ubiquitous connectivity with ultra-high bandwidth, availability, and ultra-low latency for each core digital city module and smart city application. Beijing Mobile has also been making considerable progress on citywide all-optical network. In an effort to provide better services, currently, Beijing Mobile's all-optical network has served more than 8,000 fifth-generation base stations, 21 million mobile users, 3 million homes broadband subscribers, and 700,000 enterprises in the city, covering every corner of the city. As a famous phrase goes, Rome was not built in a day. In 2017, Beijing Mobile amassed more than 1 million home broadband users. And by 2018, we had extended the all-optical network to each integrated service area. Furthermore, Beijing Mobile was the world's first operator to deploy OXC, all-optical cross-connected product on a single metro network, achieving a gigabits per second switching capacity. Beijing Mobile was also the world's first operator to upgrade the per-channel capacity to 200 gigabits per second on a metro network. In 2019, we began improving the user experience of government and enterprises services and deployed all-optical 100G devices in buildings. Meanwhile, our dedicated international and national backbone optical network can provide high-quality private lines. More than 60 10G private lines were provisioned in 2019 alone and make money. By the end of that year, the cloud-based intelligent management and control platform went live to act as a smart brain for optics networks and achieve smart operations. Beijing Mobile's all-optical network has already covered 10 core nodes, 20 Tier 1 aggregation nodes, and 260 Tier 2 aggregation nodes. The core layer uses mesh and 3 layers architecture to double network's capacity and elasticity, as well as improve the network availability. This all-optical network has the following 3 features. One is Smart Brain, a unified cloud-based management and control platform is available on the entire network, which enables visualized management and smart operation. The 2 is flexible architecture. All-optical cross-connect is introduced to enable all-optical switching and improve a site switch efficiency. 3, all-optical coverage. The network covers all urban and suburban areas, as well as over 90% of service-intensive areas. Our network uses the most advanced OTN technologies to build a flexible all-optical network base and all-optical grooming hubs. Since the end of 2018, Beijing Mobile has deployed 10 all-optical grooming hubs at its core layer and built an all-optical switching network using OXC. This achieves efficient and flexible all-optical grooming in 32 degrees, and core nodes are meshed and directly connected to each other. This significantly improves grooming efficiency and reduces latency by 40%. By using 200G and upgrading the optical layer from 80 wavelengths to 96 wavelengths, the network capacity increased by 2.4 times. Meanwhile, the power consumption reduced by 40%, footprint by 65%, and overall investment by 30%. All optical devices have been deployed on more than 400 aggregation nodes in the city. In urban areas, an all-optical device will be available to access within 1 to 2 kilometers of any location. All optical devices are also deployed in more than 1,000 high-end buildings and 9,000 communities and campuses, providing all optical connectivity for businesses, homes, consumers, machines, cameras, and 5th generation radio base stations as any demand. A cloud-based management and control platform is deployed to implement unified management, control, and analysis on the entire network. In addition to this, technologies such as AI, big data, and cloud are used to make optical networks digitalized and intelligent, achieving minute-level service provision, second-level fault location, and millisecond-level service recovery. This makes our networks more intelligent, secure, and enables lifecycle smart operation. AI-based down optical cable resources management. AI analyzations are used to infer the network topology and support remote fault location of optical paths. Convenient service subscription. Customers can personalize the specifications of private line services, such as bandwidth, port type, protection method, and latency level as shopping in a supermarket. Dynamic and static protection measures. The ASON dynamic protection allows for multiple alternative routes. This achieves self-healing and 99.999% availability. The common 1+1 static protection provides only one protection path, achieving 99.9% availability. To conclude, the development of all optical networks requires cooperation between operators, manufacturers, and industry users to achieve smart digital cities. We all continue construction networks to provide gigabit access to homes and phones, as well as 10 gigabit private lines to government and enterprise customers. We will continue innovating business scenarios such as intelligent cloud and network, dedicated fifth generation channels, governments, transportation, and healthcare. We will also support innovation in data centers, cloud computing, big data, IoT, and AI to build an ultra-broadband, simplified, and intelligent all-optical network that serves as the foundation for the digital economy and delivers an unrivaled experience. Thanks all. Thank you.